excited because we have a new rolling walker, the new Nova Star 8. And over the course of 25 years, this is our 25th year anniversary, we have earned the reputation of being the most loved and trusted brand of rolling walkers. And what better walker to debut in our 25th year than the Star? It shines and it is just awesome. And I'm going to show you why and why you're going to love this walker, and you've got to have it in your showroom now. So first you'll see that it comes in 5 gorgeous colors and that metallic paint that I love so much. So we've got black, we've got blue, diamond sky blue, so beautiful, red, and then spicy purple, which I love too. So let me show you what's so cool about this line is that you can have all the colors out there, and each model adjusts to about 5'2" to about 6'3". So on your sales sheet, you're going to see that it's 5'3" to 6'2", but I'm 5'2". I've got heels on, but it's pretty variable. So you've got one walker that really can adjust for just a great range of heights. All right, so I'm going to choose my color, and that's diamond sky blue, and show you the cool features of the Star. All right, so I'm going to move these back, give myself a little bit of room. All right, so what we've got on here is we have what we call the quick fit, easy adjust buttons. So for me, I'm 5'2", I've got heels on, but you've seen in my other videos that you want the seat height to be the right height for the customer. So this seat height adjusts 19.5 inches, 20.5 inches, and 21.5 inches. So for me, I'm 5'2", I know that I'm going to want the lowest seat height. So you'll see it's at the highest adjustment here. I'm going to show you how easy it is for me to adjust the seat height. All right, just like that. I'm even doing it in a skirt. All right, voila. That's all it took for me to lower the seat height 2 inches. Now, when I sit down, it's the perfect seat height for me. And now I'm going to adjust the handles. Okay, so right now, I feel like they're a little low. I can adjust the handles just a little bit for me so it feels just right. Move it one up. All right, much better. Now, literally within seconds, I've adjusted the Star 8 to my perfect height. And then even with your customer, you can make adjustments on the spot because they may say, you know, I actually would like the handle a little lower, a little higher. You can do it right there to really customize this quick fit, perfect fit for your customer. All right, so we've got that feature. And then look at the sleekness of this design. We have this oval tubing that's not just very sturdy, but super, super sleek and attractive. Very, very sporty. All right, so of course the Star comes with our standard Nova handbrakes. These are a must. They're so different. Brakes are just super important to somebody's rolling walker experience. So of course the Star has the Nova Feather Touch brakes as standard. The flip-up back, which is also removable, a very thick, sturdy, and comfortable seat. Now we've got the under-seat pouch, which is roomy and very, very beautiful, but we've added a feature that I think you're going to really like. We have a liner. So now we've got this liner that they can remove and use it as an option, so that's a nice added feature. And check this out. We've added this carrying handle because we know that carrying a rolling walker is sometimes a challenge for people. So now look at this. I've got a handle and I can just very easily pick up the Star. Another feature that I love are these foot pedals. So we've added a foot pedal on each side of the wheels, and what this allows the customer to do is by using their foot to pedal on there, it helps them pick up the rolling walkers to maybe get over a curb or over a piece of terrain. So these are nice foot pedals. You could even use the foot pedals to help in folding the walker. So it just gives you a lot more control of your rolling walkers. And then we've got the 8-inch wheels in black, but check out the mag. Very sporty. Imagine somebody wheeling along and those wheels just spinning. It just looks really good. So there you go. That is a Star 8 rolling walker at a great affordable retail price of $199.95. It is a great rolling walker in addition to our already amazing line of rolling walkers. The Zoom, the Traveler, the Get-Go, have the whole line, have the Star out there, and get your customers into the Star so they can be a superstar.